And there's also breaking news that's coming in. We're also now being told AIM-IM Chief Asauddin Owaisi has filed the petition in the Supreme Court challenging the Waqf Amendment Bill. Just remember, this is coming shortly after we've just heard Congress has moved the Supreme Court over the Waqf Bill. Constantly this happens once this historic bill has been passed in the Parliament. The executive move now being challenged by the opposition in the judicial courts of the country. The corridors of power now shifts to the judicial courts of the country, where once again the Congress and the AIM-IM will try and fight it out. Possibly the Supreme Court will soon take a look at these cases, try and have them clubbed together. Let me go across to Aneri giving us that news. Aneri, Owaisi files the writ petition in the Supreme Court of the Waqf Bill. It was quite obvious he'd been stating this after protests had also been there. The historic bill has been passed, but the opposition, the political motives continue, and they shall be trying to now knock on the doors of the judiciary for their political motivations.
Owaisi had torn apart the Waqf Amendment Bill in the Parliament. Now, what we are learning is that Asaduddin Owaisi has filed a petition in the Supreme Court challenging the Waqf Amendment Bill. Remember, he says that this is not right. The bill is unconstitutional, and also at the same time, just some time back, while speaking to Republic, just speaking to us, he has very clearly stated that it is my right and I have registered my protest in the Parliament. And now what we are seeing is that Asaduddin Owaisi has now filed a petition in the Supreme Court challenging the Waqf Amendment Bill. Well, now we'll have to see what will be the next move. But yes, as it has been passed with a majority in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Thank you, Aneri, for those details. Coming up after a short break, we get you all the coverage that's coming up, not only on the Waqf Amendment Bill, but also what has been passed historically in both the houses of the Parliament. Much more after a short break. Stay on with us.